God in it like Mona Face, stick many Mona Lisa's. Yeah, the Chinny Yankee, Puerto Rican, scratch the bone and
The flow though. The flow though. And the lips are move. What do you think? Breathe this late dog.
God in it like Mona Face, stick many Mona Lisa's. Yeah, the Chinny Yankee, Puerto Rican, scratch the bone and vegan, skill on me that.
Thank you for subscribing to my channel. What? We getting 2 subscribers to my channel alone, but lag. And the flow. And the girls wait. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back again with another reaction for you all. I know it's kind of late today, but not scrap that. As you can see, we're back at the set. You see me? The set. We're back home. But we have Vybz Kartel and TeeJay up top Gaza. No. We don't know what's going on in the dance hall right now. But we're not talking about that. With TeeJay and Alchemy. And the man. We're not talking about it. We're going to react to that song. We're going to see what that song really I deal with. You see me? I say, up top Gaza. We don't know how to expect. We don't know how to go on. You see me? It's a music video. So we can see what going people like the video from now. Subscribe to if you all are new. On the road to 10,000 subscribers. And you don't know the chopper right now. Over. Well, let's get straight to the video. Run it.
St. James,
Bad choke.
Portmore.
Them girls that just step out for me already, so I them say, Tyreek, here comes the females. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. It's a game I do, but anyways, here comes the females.
You say, walk through the valley of the shadow of death.
TeeJay. Oh, wait. Females?
TeeJay.
Yeah.
TeeJay.
What you did? Ooh. Why that one over here? So the one me said so she got it right here, so the one over the side there, brother. Watch it curves. It's like no started it of you, but watch it curves. You know, I'm wanting music with a drop like all this. I change even run through though. Yeah.
Up top, spin them like a hubcap. Gaza,
with the meat bow. We no roll if you bury. Don't fuck around on the road, me no carry.
One of them shop that master. I'm a master. Hold on. One of them shop that master. But yeah, Shadow's supposed to make all the money for them. Supposed to make enough money for them there though. But aren't you?
3 jump out and me go now you get it. Yeah. Money in my pocket at the pound and no penny.
Yeah.
Push blast out.
Now they have a flex for me already star Porsche. They carry them, the girls them hot. But like a car, this is like a car that like a red sitting here. Shot today. Wait. I don't know what name, you know. That's how I say like a red sitting here. You can't find it. Yo, scrap that here, man.
We no roll if you bury.
Like a red car that like I'm gonna see on CKRM's, because you know some follow up CKRM's thing, you know. But they see on CKRM's story. Somebody about that carry them because me don't know what them carry them, but run through.
At the road me no carry. 3 jump out and me go now you get it. Money me heavy. Oi. Mix up here me with the any. Up top Gaza, we are running city. Yeah.
True. Viewers and subscribers, let me know down below in the comment section. Is it up top Gaza around the city? Or a Gaza load? Or a up top? Or a MVP? I know I try to story for them, but reaction kind of different. I'm kind of dip on a little vibes today. Nothing too major. I'm gonna wait. What should them start here? I'm starting here. Egypt. Are the Egyptian? Are they ready?
God in it like Mona Face, stick many Mona Lisa's. Yeah, the Chinny Yankee, Puerto Rican, scratch the bone and
The flow though. And the lips are move. What do you think? Breathe this late dog.
God in it like Mona Face, stick many Mona Lisa's. Yeah, the Chinny Yankee, Puerto Rican, scratch the bone and vegan, skill on me that.
Thank you for subscribing to my channel. What? We getting 2 subscribers to my channel alone, but lag. And the flow. And the girls Ready?
God in it like Mona Face, stick many Mona Lisa's. Yeah, the Chinny Yankee, Puerto Rican, scratch the bone and vegan. Skill on me, daddy. To alliance, still a show allegiance.
But now, well, no matter some facts and to alliance, still a show allegiance. Remember, you know, all Vybz Kartel come about and all that from the roots, you know. Man, still remember that in the youth. But the flow, Adi, we all know that Adi bad, you know. But we never expect this kind of song. And then the lip sync and thing. Now, when you see crimes that in the video, or see crimes in the video, you just see a little clip it on Instagram. See crimes in there. Let's go for say, now, you know, see crimes that go in the video and he might go do the lip sync for Kartel. But, sharp down. You see me, I said, then come with a different. Oh, what's that name? Expression. I don't remember what I played, what the videographer name, you know.
John Gaza, General, a DJ, as him, as them bust them, have him as a giant in a macro, cause in water for them, train them, feel them, coulda left.
Oh, sick rhymes, but you know, when someone say a while ago, as him bust them, have him as a lead. Voila.
A General, a DJ, as him, as them bust them, have him as a giant in a macro, cause in.
As Adi, but I'm still matter about him, matter about himself in a third person. John, so bad. One thing about Adi, Adi the line right as alone, not even the whole song. Oh, Adi does. He made us cheap a while ago, lyrically. One thing about that, me like it, me not like. Go through.
Water for them, train them, feel them, coulda left him soul in chain. They know the plan, they feel him, still I run the place, no matter kind of struggle in my face. Him
name World Boss. Man say him still like matter about himself, dog. Man say him still run the place, no matter what kind of struggle in my face. Meaning, they behind bars and still run the place. No matter what kind of struggle in my face. Unalisi to no artist. Run through now, man.
World Boss, Vybz Kartel, the fear of real.
What the fuck you feel, sir?
Yeah.
Get a you for rich in a life, like said them on one of them money tree.
But nah, I didn't have a TeeJay step in. Yeah. No, the collaboration kind of bad. But you don't know me already, my kind of collaboration on me, like, remember Vybz Kartel and Sick Rhymes, Heavyweight. The man them go bar for bar, brother. And never verse to verse or chorus and then verse and that. Bar for bar. I like them kind of collaboration. That to me is a bad collaboration. But it's good too. You see me I say? Yeah, but run through.
Yeah. Couple of on the side before me die, me I tell her say your money me side.
We'll go back and admire beauty first, you know, cause I don't know so that I'm there for now. And I don't want nobody in the comment section and talk about you would play the video and stop chat. I'm telling you already. I saw my role. People like me though. You hear me? Yeah, but still I want.
Couple of on the side before me die, me I tell her say your money.
That little weed leaf, I don't know say have it. I all day. But it's a nice little video when you see the females them when and then the lyrics are chopped at the same time, you know. Video bad. Song bad to me now like chorus at the verse. One. Little 3 points wow, him cheap again. Him cheap again. Sick rhymes. We don't know why my sick rhymes are different. Sick rhymes are bad artists, you know that. I don't even know. Burn tune though.
Lock down the place like Tyrekevlogs. COVID badness, watch a far-fetched, you can call it cosmic. Show some
badness. COVID 6 freestyle. Chronic law. COVID badness. Man, chronic. Well, 6 and Gaza. Alright, calm it. But like, he want to snap like Kartel. TeeJay want to snap like Kartel. Run on, he want to snap like Kartel. Alright. This is the point when TeeJay wants to start try and snap like how Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, the world boss, just snapped. Let's see if he did good or not. Ready? Running out.
Call the palo, lock down the place like Tyrekevlogs. COVID badness, watch a far-fetched, you can call it.
Call the palo, lock down the place like Harvey. What?
Samado, Italiano and Milano. Yeah. Flip the chips, Samanticalo, then me move the cargo.
Them man are too bad. People want to think about the song down below in the comment section. You see me I say? And remember, if you're not subscribed, you want to subscribe. You see me I say? For the most lit reactions. What I mean, I'm carry more lit. I told me that inside right now, I try to hold it down because I know the apartment thing setting. You see me? So I can go pre them one day, if we not pre them one day. But we read somewhere through now.
Read them up like Nostradamus. Boy, them full of ignoramus. One of they clip them long like 31 days, them were in a Argos. Pub.
Dodos I get big up. But what me I try to say is, am I capping or is he trying to sound like Vybz Kartel in this? I want to see the comments them on the video for real. I want to see people really enjoy that song on a different level. You know? Or them like the collaboration, you know? But me, he might try to snap like how Ali just snap. But then with TeeJay very versatile, that's the next thing to know. He must sing J, he can DJ. And he have lyrics them too. And he have a girl tune. He's bad, you know? We're in side tune though.
Blow, Unchain, Django, Saint Catherine, Saint James, Saint Andrew.
Second verse done already hit tough like me cocky Benny.
And time we are advised to have to go back. Why? But I'm going to say, brother, the song no bad and it's a big up a whole of the bad place them in Jamaica. Yeah, the me has say, I just some say, brother, your song dumb bad and it's a big up the whole of the bad place them in Jamaica. But when the rest are true. This is what teacher did know.
First done already hit tough like me cocky when it burst and a belly bright like tell him man inna the hearse we no
Tough like when it burst. I don't know what the man mean by that. You know, so when you walk, you know, it's when you're about to pop. Rock solid when you're about to pop, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you see if you ever, you're not go overstand what the man is saying. You know me I say. But run the tune, yeah, man. Not them things are too big for the ears. Run true.
already shot that full of good as and no germs in my belly. But
I watch number one. What the boss said, just subscribe to my channel too and probably watch out the whole of the video, you know. Big up yourself, bro. God. I hope you watch that video and say, yo, I know you subscribe and see how quick me be able to video them because you just do this and that post now. Anyways, run through.
pen no keep bottom friend waivers. Make the papers, done the haters. Yo bang, tell Salt Spring gang, stand strong, baritone.
Kartel are a bad artist. You didn't mean I say, you serious I tunes to and make on go on ways, you know. Because I have another reaction for the intense. I drop that one there tomorrow. I do it tomorrow. Come on, more energy for that one. So I do this now and post this now. But when I get the intense one tomorrow, I want to there, so. You can tell you now. Terror done drop him one already. What the song name? Intense drop. Jaja. Anyways, intense drop music video. I'm gonna drop it tomorrow. Run through now.
Rocky give me a gala Glen Devon.
How the fuck I feel say? Get a youth rich in the life.
Subscribe to the channel, people. Like the video and subscribe if you're new. This is me have a second channel I wanted to go subscribe to. I try reach 1,000 subscribers over there, so I just reach 100 subscribers. And guess why? Become a prank my girlfriend. Click the video and click the link. Go on over there. Alright, I'm back again. You have watched and enjoyed the full video, right? Now what I want you guys to do is touch the head right here, so the head, the circle, and subscribe to my girlfriend, me and my girlfriend channel, the couple channel, MONII and TyreKejt. Subscribe right there, so touch the head right there and subscribe. Big up yourself.